Hello everybody, this is Jeff Janess and welcome to our 5th lab exercise on selections, joins, and relates. Now we're going to talk about joins, how you make them and how you can use them. So we're going to start off with loading up some data. First, the Stands Rock project. This is a Forest Service stand map near Flagstaff. We're going to add the Forest Service road shapefile, which is a good data set of road locations, but has very little data on each road. Then we're going to load up the standalone table, iWeb GC roads. This is the standalone table that has the more thorough set of information describing each road. All right, let's make a new map here. Let's add our data. The standalone table is in this file geodatabase. Okay, we're ready to go. First, we're zooming to the extent. We're already at that extent, but let's just go through the motions here. All right. Now let's see what information we actually have available on each road. We're going to use the Explore command. We're going to click on this road here. And you can see that there's really very little data on it. We have a bit of data, but there's a lot more out there. So that's good to know as far as it goes. Now we can also open the standalone table. Open that up. We see the standalone table actually has quite a bit of data on roads. Standalone table has this attribute field RTE_CN. Let's open up the table for roads again. Roads also has this same attribute field. Put them like this. So each of these tables has the same attribute field. The roads has the geometries, but little extra data. The standalone table has all of the extra data. So we want to connect our standalone table to our roads. We do that. We can do it in a couple places, but I'm going to show you here. We're going to do it in the layer. So you right-click on the layer, go to Joins and Relates, and add a join. This is the table we're starting with, the feature class. This is the table we're going to add to it, join to it. RTE_CN is the attribute field that is common to both of them. It's a good idea to index join fields. This will make a little edit in your database, but it does make operations go faster. Now we hit OK, and the join has been created. We don't see anything right off, but if we click on it, use the Explore command again to click on it, well, now we see we actually have a lot more data available here, including things like this operation maintenance level. We now know that this particular road is a high clearance vehicle road, so probably not going to take our passenger car out on this road. And we couldn't have found that out if we hadn't joined the table. We're going to open up the attribute table for road. If you remember, the attribute table for road really didn't have much in it, but now it has all the attributes from that joined table. So it's as if it's one big table. Now remember that nothing has been changed on the hard drive. The data sets are still the same way they were. This large table we're looking at right now is created in memory in ArcGIS Pro, and it's just presented to us as if it was a single object. But we can use it like it's a single object. One thing I've noticed with join tables is often if they're fairly large, ArcGIS Pro will load them using this asterisk method where they show you the first 2,000. So just remember that if the number of records says asterisk or star or something, then it's probably not got everything in there. If we're curious how many, we just hit load all, and now we see that there's 6,000 roads there. Now you do have a homework question here. If you recall, we clicked on this road and we got all the joined information. We could see what the operation maintenance level was of that road. So that's good to know. The homework assignment is to click on this road right here. And there is an operation maintenance level for it as well, and it is not high clearance vehicles. So just click on it and see which one it is, and that'll be your homework answer. All right, thanks so much.